In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix screen brightness issues on your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Starting off on your home screen, go ahead and go all the way over to the right until you see this little settings gear. Select it to open up your settings and then go ahead and scroll down a little bit and find display and audio. Go ahead and open this up. And in this section, what you're going to want to do is look for the display tab. Go ahead and select it and open up the dynamic range settings first. This is going to be all the way down here. By default, this is always going to be set to always HDR. Change it to adaptive. This will make your Fire TV match the original HDR format instead of forcing HDR on everything, which often does cause dim or washed out brightness. From here, what you're going to want to do is go back and then back again, and we're going to change some settings on your TV itself. So grab your remote for your TV, not just your Fire Stick remote. Grab your actual remote and go ahead and hit the settings button on that remote. From here, go to picture settings and increase the backlight and adjust the brightness until the screen looks normal again. These settings vary slightly depending on your TV brand, but the options should be very similar. But that is it. That is how you could fix brightness issues on your Fire TV Stick 4K Max. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.